Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming both Rockstar Social Club and your platform's cloud services are online. This prevents wasted merges. Once done, open your save manager and identify which file is newer by timestamp, because the newer save usually contains recent progress. Make a local backup immediately to a separate folder or USB. This gives you a safe restore point. Don't skip backups. If you overwrite the wrong file, you can lose hours of progress, and recovery gets harder. Next, disable autosync in both the game and the social club client so files won't overwrite while you work. Then, locate the preferred save and manually copy it into the GTAV save directory. On PC, that's documents /rockstar games /GTAV /profiles. If you want parts from both saves, load one, export, or note key progress. Then load the other and recreate critical steps into a fresh slot. Using multiple, finally, re-enable Cloud Sync only after you have verified the chosen save works. Launch the game, test mission continuity, inventory, money, and player stats, because those show whether the restore succeeded. Once confident, allow Social Club to upload that save so cloud and local match. If the cloud still rejects the file or you see missing progress, immediately restore your backup, try a different slot or timestamped file, and repeat the manual copy. That troubleshooting loop usually resolves persistent conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.